Rob Frazier here, talking about my broke man Bitcoin trading plan. So in this video, I just wanted to talk more about it and also lay out my complete plan. Basically, there's certain things I can say, and there's certain things that I can't necessarily say unless you get deeper and deeper into my system. But the bigger picture, anybody can learn how to trade it. It is really not hard. There's an iCoin Pro. Actually, that's one of the companies that I'm going to be sharing in this video. There's an iCoin Pro Facebook group, and there are people who have started out with $50 in their trading account, and they're now averaging over $3,000 a week. Documented and proven. You can go to Facebook. You can talk to these people right now. They're real people. They're not master. Well, they are master traders. They didn't start out that way. So all of that being said, I'm going to talk about my broke man Bitcoin trading plan. And also, the whole intent is to teach you how to market and to teach you how to trade. So you have two skills that you can use to make money no matter what's happening. So, why should you learn how to trade? Anyone can learn how to trade. I mean, and it doesn't matter what your schedule is, especially with crypto. You can trade 24/7. It does. Christmas, holidays, Easter, Hanukkah, does not matter. The crypto markets are always on. This right here is a chart, and what you're looking at basically is Litecoin against the US dollar. It's really not important. What I want you to pay attention to is the fact that every single time you look here, it goes up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Litecoin goes up, Litecoin goes down, Litecoin up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down. Now it's currently going up. The whole point is to find out through the information I'm going to share with you, whenever Litecoin hits a bottom or a support, that's when you want to buy. And whenever it hits a top resistance, that's when you want to sell. And the whole point is it does this all the time. Let me just back up here to the 1 hour chart. Same deal. It hits a bottom, you buy. It hits a top, you sell. At bottom, you buy. Top, you sell. A bottom, you buy. A top, you sell. Bottom, you buy. A top, you sell. Same thing here. And you can kind of see a little head and shoulders here. Here's a shoulder. Here's a head. Here's looking like another shoulder. The whole point is learning when it hits that level of support to buy, and whenever it hits the top, you sell. I mean, that's really the basics of it, but there's a few more details. But where to start, basically, that's the whole point of my broke man Bitcoin trading plan here. There's going to be a couple things I'm going to share with you. There's three things. Actually, there's four. Actually, there's 5 different things I want you to look at here. Underneath this video, there's going to be a link. It's going to take you to a capture page. You're going to hit that capture page. You're going to put in your information. And what it's going to do is it's going to take you to a page similar to this, where I'm bumping my gums about learning how to trade, how you can learn how to do so. You're going to click this link. It's going to take you to this page right here. This page, there's 4 different parts to it. And especially pay attention, because after you get your crypto e-wallet, your Coinbase account, and also, let me just back up, Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. Coinbase and Coinbase Pro. That's a crypto wallet and exchange, and it's very simple to learn how to trade here. I know looking at it initially, it can seem a little overwhelming and beefy, but it's really not. It is really simple. When you get into the system and you start going through this information, you'll see that it's very simple. The hardest thing about trading is just maintaining your personal discipline, not getting greedy, and that's really it. I mean, if you can manage that, and there's a whole bunch of information out there that women make better traders than men, because men are impulsive. We're just like, yeah, let's do it. And women are more calculating and cold when it comes to trading. Whereas men, we're just greedy and we like fast, and we'll lose our shirts 4, 5, 6 times. Whereas the women, they'll just clean up just simply because they can look at the markets differently. But that being said, it doesn't matter if you're man or woman, you can still learn how to trade profitably. If my ass can do it, then you can do it. I mean, I'm the most impulsive, high and to the right person you can find. One little thing and I'm off and running, even if I'm running straight to a brick wall. But if I can do it and master myself to a degree to become profitable in trading, you can do it as well. It doesn't matter. And the more analytical you are, the better you'll do at this. I'm not that analytical. I can be sometimes, but the point is, it doesn't matter what type of personality type you are. You can learn how to do this and profit. Once you go through here, I got 4 videos, 4 steps laid out. Talking about the very first place to start, that Coinbase Pro account. You want to get your accounts there. They're free. After you get those accounts and you're going through my system here, you're going to click on go to step 2. It's going to take you here to a company called EXP Asset. You're going to watch the little video here, create your EXP Asset account. You create it for free. And once you do that, you're going to log into your back office here. You're going to click on all your products. And actually, let me back up. You're going to click on Matrix. 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 The only thing you need to buy is this $25 one. That's it. Don't waste your time with the rest of this. Who cares? Just get to $25. So one time, $25 worth of Bitcoin. I.e., you need to have that Coinbase account created first before you do this. One time, $25. That's it. You don't need this. You don't need this. You don't need these. You just need that one. Who cares about the rest of it? You just need the $25. One time, $25. And then once you do that, it's going to come down here and you're going to unlock this first level. You see 1 star, 1 star. See? That 25. After you click on it and go follow the prompts and pay and everything, you're going to come down here. You're going to click on instructions. And these instructions are what you need to start going through. Lesson 1 through 34. Each of these videos like 2-3 minutes long. Watch these videos. Watch like 2 or 3 of them. And go through this whole list and keep watching them. Because I do. Because they're just going to help. This is information that's going to start laying the groundwork. Okay? Watch these videos. At first, you're not going to understand what the heck the guy's saying, but sooner or later, it's going to start snapping together. Trust me. If I can get it, you can get it. So after you do that, you're going to click on go to step 3 here. And then you're going to learn about iCoin Pro and Bitcoin Frontiers. iCoin Pro. If you can't get the Bitcoin Frontiers yet, then just get the iCoin Pro. iCoin Pro, the micro profit system. Once you get your iCoin Pro account and upgrade, you're going to log in, you're going to click on micro profit system. It's going to take you down here. All of this training information and the tools and everything is going to be available to you. Start going through this information. Same thing here. Just watch 1 or 2 videos a day, depending on your schedule. So come here to EXP Asset, watch 2-3 of these a day. iCoin Pro, 1 or 2 of these videos a day. And just make it a point to just keep going through the information over and over and over again, over and over and over again. At first, you're not going to understand crap. It's all going to sound like some old, crazy Swahili language you're not going to understand. No offense. But sooner or later, it's going to start clicking. You're going to be like, ah, I got it. And then once you start looking at these charts, you're going to start recognizing different patterns that happen, especially, excuse me, when you go through these lessons here. So, for example, head and shoulders pattern, lesson 27. Head and shoulders pattern. Earlier in the video, Litecoin. This is a head and shoulders pattern forming here. You're going to learn these different patterns. And once you learn these patterns, you're going to be like, ah, that's what that is. And then you're going to know, okay, I might want to put in a certain type of order, either buy or sell. I'm not going to say. But you're going to start learning that and putting that together. And then it's putting that information together that's going to get you into profit. Okay? And then lastly, Bitcoin Frontiers. I include that within my full system. But if you can't get the Bitcoin Frontiers just yet, they have 2 levels. It's one-time $250 and a one-time $1,000 level. The one-time $1,000 level gets you into the Facebook group where you're going to get more training. The Bitcoin Frontiers, the reason I added that is because that training is going to help you spot different types of cryptocurrency coins that go up crazily. You know, you're going to be able to spot coins that have 161% returns and things like that. And you're going to learn how to do that within the Bitcoin Frontier. So it is worth its weight. However, if you can't afford iCoin Pro and Bitcoin Frontiers, there's one other place you need to start then. Because iCoin Pro is $99 a month and Bitcoin Frontiers is a one-time $1,000. And I think there's a small admin fee. I'm not too familiar. I don't remember it right off the top of my head. If you can't afford iCoin Pro or Bitcoin Frontiers, EXP Asset, they have what's called the binary plan. And I'm going to just click on dashboard and come disclaimer, these are my numbers only. EXP Asset will trade for you. And there's two parts. There's that matrix, that $25, which will get you the training, which I shared earlier in this video. And then there's this binary plan. All you have to do is click on binary plan here. And then it's very simple. You purchase a plan, you'll come down here. You can put in a minimum of 100 or a maximum, you know, there really is no maximum. I suggest putting in 100. 100 will get you started. You click on that. I forget how to do this, actually. Actually, no, I'm sorry. You click on Add Funds. You simply click on Binary. Then you come here, you click on Add Funds. And then I would suggest adding 100 to the binary plan. Here you can also buy the matrix as well. You purchase the binary plan, you put in 100, and then it'll show you your wallet, your whole idea. I'm going to just show you my dashboard and talk about my numbers. Income disclaimer, this is my own personal example. I put in 1,000. And I couldn't do it all at one time. I put in 100, I put in 100, I put in 100, I put in 100 till I had 1,000. Once I had 1,000, I was earning back, because what they do is they take your money, they trade for you. It's one of those types of programs. I've met the owner. I trust this program more so than a lot of other stuff out there. And the owner seems like he has a solid head on his shoulders. I only put in 1,000. Then once I get that, I was making roughly 1% a day, Monday through Friday. It varies. There's no guarantee. That 1% a day I would take out and I'd use for traffic to advertise this program. Doing that, I turned 1,000 into 10,900, and I've also withdrawn $29,827.75. Some of that went into my trading account, some of that went into my traffic, some of that went into my pocket, all from one time 1,000. I also used this money to pay for my iCoin Pro and for my Bitcoin Frontiers. We can talk about that more so in the Facebook group. So that being said, that's that binary plan as well. So all of that being said, this right here is a passive program. I use this to offset my trading. I use that money, I put it in my trading account. I'll use it to pay for my marketing. I'll use it to pay for all my other programs. And I'll use it to trade with. And it just creates this big bubble of getting paid over and over and over again. So that being said, link to my Broke Man Bitcoin trading plan will be below this video. If you have any questions, reach out. Hopefully I explained things clearly. If not, leave questions, comments, concerns below the video. It consists of 4 or 5 programs. Also, this last video, the full plan, I'm going to cover what I just said in more detail. I have a little picture that I draw and lay out here as well. Talk about how to use the EXP Asset money to buy everything else, and then how to trade, and then how to buy traffic, and then get more people in the system. Also, there's 2 systems that I use to promote this. I use ClickFunnels and I use Power Lead System. Depending on what you have, let me know if you have ClickFunnels or if you have Power Lead System. I've had share codes for both. That being said, wrapping this video up. Questions, comments, concerns, leave them below. We'll see you in the next one.